What's going on, guys? We've got a new camera angle today. Just trying it out, gonna see how it looks. Kind of a flat, uninteresting background, but whatever. So, you've read the title. You know what we're here for. We're talking about this guy. We're talking about the Flashpoint Evolv Pro TTL 200 watt. So, before we get into this review opinion, let's jump over here and unbox this guy. Alright, so I said this was going to be an unboxing, but I actually unboxed it. Just know it does come with a soft shell case. So this is the light itself. You can see it's got the battery on the side. It's a nice small battery, so pretty portable, pretty quick to charge. You're going to turn it on the back. You see that it has a LED modeling light that you can turn off and on. When it's connected to the ADB2, it actually has 3 separate levels of light level. You can take that top piece off, the Fresnel head, and switch to the bare bulb head, which is super handy. It looks like that. You can add a bunch of attachment to it, and you're going to get a little bit more output from the bare bulb. And here's me firing it off. It also comes with this handy piece that you can attach to a light, so you don't need like an S bracket. And then this is the battery charging case that it comes with. And that's all you get out of the case, guys. Alright, so now that we've unboxed it, let's talk about the light. Spec-wise, I'm not going to go over everything. If you're wondering what the difference is between the Pro and the older model, color consistency in the Kelvin range, and I'm pretty sure it has better battery life. Other than that, I'm not sure. You can look it up. I'm sure there's plenty of videos that will tell you what the difference is. Comes with a pretty basic package, and you can build it out with a bunch of different accessories. There's the round head. There is the ADB2, which you can attach 2 of these guys to that, and then that becomes a 400 watt light, which is invaluable. There's gels that you can get. There's the barn door kit. Get whatever you think you're going to want. I would suggest getting an ADB2 for sure. And I would suggest that you get 2 of these. That's going to make you even more versatile. Here are my thoughts on this light for what I've been using them for. I've done corporate, I've done headshots, I've done senior photos with these guys, and it's just proven super invaluable to have a really portable light system like this. Now, I did just get one of these, but I actually already have 2 of these that I've been using for a while, and I use it with the ADB2, and you know, it's just been an awesome experience with it so far. It's yet to fail me. I've never had a problem with anything with the light itself, no light bulb failures or anything like that. I will give you a word of warning. I've heard these don't handle the cold well, and I've heard that dropping them is basically a death sentence. Real quick, one other thing to buy that I would suggest that you'll find is recommended is one of these. And so basically what this is a mount for, say, your on-camera flashes, but you can just slide this right through, tighten it down, and now what you can do is you can use any Bowens S-mount modifiers on this guy. I would avoid this glow, specifically this glow S bracket that I bought. I bought this one with the ones that I originally purchased. I bought this one, and then I had an ADB2. The reason I would say to shy away from this and just get the Godox branded one is because of this. Basically, this is a ratcheted head adjustment. But I would suggest getting 1 or 2 of these, because this makes it so you can use big modifiers and softboxes and whatever with your AD200s or your Evolv200s. So yeah, guys, that's about it. Overall, I highly recommend this for anyone who's looking to get into off-camera flash. If you're having any questions about how to use it, or I didn't go over anything, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give it a like, maybe subscribe if you're enjoying the content. If you like this new angle, let me know. I think having a flat back might be a better option. And yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next one. All right, talk to you guys, bye.